Lesson 9: Cloning Mammals. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain how animals can be cloned, and discuss why advances in genetic modification can be beneficial but also raise ethical concerns. A clone is a genetic copy of another single organism or a group of cells. The most common method of artificial cloning is called cell nuclear transfer. The first mammal cloned in this way from adult cells was Dolly the sheep. Body cells are diploid. This means that they carry a full set of 46 chromosomes. Egg cells only contain half this number of chromosomes. In natural reproduction, the other half of the chromosomes would come from the sperm cells of the father. To produce a clone, a complete set of genetic information is needed from a single animal. Diploid body cells are used for this purpose. However, a body cell cannot produce a new embryo on its own. An unfertilized egg cell is also needed. The nucleus is removed from the egg cell and replaced with the nucleus of a body cell. These are fused together and the cell is stimulated to divide and grow into an embryo. Cloning is not easy. It took 277 attempts, using new cells each time, to create the embryo that developed into Dolly the sheep. Few cloned embryos survive until birth. Many cloned animals are born abnormally large and with problems such as heart and lung disease. Research has improved the success rates of cloning, but there are still many problems to solve. Cloning also raises ethical concerns. These are mainly about the cloning of humans. This is currently illegal in the UK and most other countries. It is, however, legal to clone human embryos for stem cell research. Another type of research that causes controversy is genetic modification. Genes are manipulated and introduced into DNA in order to change the genetic characteristics of an organism. Genetic modification has produced new vaccines and drugs such as human growth hormone and human insulin. Animals can be genetically modified to grow larger and to be immune to illnesses. Genes can be transferred from plants or animals into other organisms. These are called transgenic organisms. Transgenic animals can be genetically engineered to make their organs compatible for transplant into humans or to produce milk with health benefits to us. There are ethical considerations with genetic modification. Some people believe it is unnatural. They argue that the products of transgenic animals may have side effects that no one knows about. Some people say that it is cruel to animals as it treats them as living factories. Others say the benefits outweigh the disadvantages because so many people can be treated for illnesses.